Kasur Kabri Unyotrep had organized a sit-in demonstration at the Malki football ground on the 13th of October to demand from the MDA government the immediate suspension of the police personnel involved in the killing of the former HNLC General Secretary, late Cheristafil Thankhew, on 13th August this year. The organization also demanded for the speeding up of the independent inquiry, which they desire to be a fair and just one, especially for the family of the deceased who have been patiently awaiting the report of the inquiry into the 13th August incident.
Ngatrai ki bawan hang le gidon la gajong gajing bakle gidon la gajong ka mensem gidon la gajong kajing chua bangin le hakating meeting so to ba ngade ukun jong briwan jong trap ngade do uslam ngale hang teng ngade ban le ka mensem ka basida ka mensem ka bakhoi ka mensem ka balan ni lade ban kersan ya gano karai ka bakasur kami Henry ka bapen singaw lungo bat ka bapen artatin yo pa iba jong jala menta kat banang mi gisngi nang tulot na gawai ka por si gawai pan kale baro kadai ka daw ba bagi don ki langyong ki bapersyang banle politik ya ka kamyap jong iba cheres terpel thank you tengah keren ka basai ko langyong singaw ba wan pendai ya kini ki kam so ba kelatya keladem ya gitu kijing bakla jong pi kelet no sim da gawai karai so ba penmi ya katu sur kumba pi penmi men ha katu ka khalai tarik kenang bangiyo ya ki justice ka khoi nai ba Cherester Bill thank you ke ka bang akwa abanong ha kene ka no pai ski ka pementa ka longba kene ka khubor kan leja ka sarkar MDA ka bala kelot bat ka bala matla ko sarkar to tip ba kane kanang day ka jingelang ka parit bat ka jinge kedulang ka jingi ka parit lada pidang menti susu nang nei sakmat ngin nang penjur ki jinge ki bahe neso banai ro ka khubor seki wepan ki bom se mala ban poi hakane ka por ka pamentaru hindrai ngingit skemba hakawai pat gajingelang pila banwan ya gaban ya aimen sim nakabenta iba cheres thank you